Hello. So I brought my kids out to the school, the International School of Band, for a play date. This is what the parking lot looks like. This is the way that the cars and the school bus will come. And yes, we saw a train go by. This is the soccer field. This school is only 2 years old. This is the gymnasium right here. It's very nice inside. International School of Band. Here is the outdoor basketball court. And then they have the signs for where all the grades should be meeting up in the morning. But our children ride a bus. So by the time they get here, they don't have to come to this meetup spot. And I will show that to you on school day, which is Tuesday. They start school back on Tuesday. Zendaya doesn't yet go to school, so she likes coming out here to play. But so yes, here's the wooden toys again. Like I said, they got this bridge, table. I would call that a jungle gym, but it's really not. They got a slide over there in the hill. I hear teachers in the classroom getting ready for school next week. You got this playground. This is where Kamal and them were last year. This is the kindergarten and first grade section. They got their little sand pit. As you keep going, it's another part of the playground. If you're noticing all this grass, these hills, yes, Switzerland is very, very green. So the playground is divided up into sections, as you can see, to try to keep the bigger kids from the smaller kids. There are 2 swings, and then this other little playground right here. We are now into the, I think, middle school, maybe, or like up in the 5th grade section. See that bridge right there, and the trees across? That's where the smaller children go take field trips over there to that forest. So they just leave from here, walk across there, and go into the forest. So I am giving you a view of approaching the school as if you came from the tram, but I drove here today. So you would get off the tram down there and you would walk down here. All right, and so here's a sign, and we would be walking this way. The gym would be on our right, and the school is on the left. And that is the outside of the school.
Yeah.
All right, school is out, and so here they come on the bus. All right, so at least they are the last ones this year.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Remy. So, curbside service. Alex got food apparently. How was your day?
Buddy?
There they go. Wait, where'd Kamal go? He disappeared. How was your day, Kamal?
Good.
And how was your day, David?
One day is retiring.
What?
How was your day?
It's good
It
to
was
be
okay.
back
It was
in
very
school.
tiring. A lot of work.
I mean, it's good to be back in school.
It's good to be back in school?
Yes.
All
Du
right.
verstehst mich ja.
So David and Mike are having a conversation in German. He just
Aber alles
delivered
in
me
Hochdeutsch. Aber du
these cupcakes.
verstehst mich ja gut. Ich habe dir auch ein paar Cupcakes gemacht für deinen Geburtstag.
Merci.
Ha? Ist gut gewesen?
Ja, das ist super gut. Also, die, wie sagt das? Raspberry.
Himbeeren.
Himbeeren.
Ja,
Schmeckt. sehr
schmecken gut.
Ja.
Super. Da hat es auch wieder Zitrone, Himbeere, Schokolade und Vanille mit Karamell.
Karamell.
Und mit Topping, Buttercreme, mit Flavor. Ja, ich hoffe, das ist dann gut.
Das ist was.
Das ist Zitrone, Himbeere.
He's got lemon again. Und
Ja, und die Schokolade mit Schokostückchen. Ja, hoffe, die sind gut. Und,
das ist so die letzte Zeit.
genau,
Okay.
genau, das ist das wie das letzte Mal. Schokolade mit Schokostückchen.
Okay.
Ja, die sind sicher
Can't hear
gut.
you, David.
Und das ist die...
Das sind die Karamell, Schokolade und Zitrone Himbeere. Die findest du doch so gut. Aber nicht alle selber essen. Ja?
Ich hätte 4 oder 5.
4 oder 5?
Ja.
Dann hat deine Mutter keine mehr.
Vielleicht 1 oder ich weiß nicht. Aber das schmeckt sehr gut.
Super, bin ich froh. Hi, I'm Mike.
Alex.
Good one.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
All right, Kamal, he is in the 1st grade this year. But what he's gonna sing for us is the song he learned in kindergarten, which is Hello in multiple languages.
Hello, bonjour, ni hao, grüße, guten Tag, buenos dias, greeting, yes, buenos aires, konnichiwa.
What languages were those, Kamal?
English, French, Chinese, and Swiss German, German from Germany, and Spanish, Russian, Flemish, or Dutch, or this one's kind of Italian.
What did you like best about kindergarten?
I like the language song. There's also 2 more, Japanese and Indian.
Okay.
Bye.